Hey everyone! If Discord won't open or won't start on your Windows PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you several methods to fix the problem. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us grow. Now let's get started. Open the Windows search. Type run. And open it. Type %appdata%. Then press enter. Open the Discord folder. Delete the cache folder. Delete the code cache folder. And delete the GPU cache folder. If Windows says the folders are in use, press Ctrl+, Shift+ Escape to open Task Manager. Search for Discord. Right-click it. Then click in Task. Now go back and delete the 3 folders. These cache files will be created again automatically. Now try opening Discord. If it still doesn't open, go to your desktop. Right-click the Discord shortcut. Then click Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Enable Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Also enable Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply. Then click OK. Now try opening Discord again. If the problem continues, open the Windows search. Type cmd. Right-click Command Prompt. Then select Run as administrator. Type the following command: sfc/scan now. Then press enter. Wait for the scan to finish. Windows will automatically repair any corrupted system files. If Discord still won't open, open the Windows search. Type Windows Defender Firewall. Then open it. Click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click Change Settings. Then click Allow another app. Click Browse. If you don't know where Discord is installed, close this window. Right-click the Discord shortcut. Then click Open File Location. Copy the folder path. Go back to the firewall window. Click Browse again. Paste the folder path. Select discord.exe. Then click Add. Make sure both private and public are checked. Then click OK. If none of these methods work, open the Windows search. Type Add or Remove Programs. Open it. Find Discord. Click the 3 dots. Then select Uninstall. After removing Discord, download the latest version from the official Discord website. Install it. Then try opening Discord again. That's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you're still having this problem, leave a comment below. We'll do our best to help you. Thanks for watching.